you doing? What's up, guys? Today is Friday, and today I want to change my hair color. It's about that time again. I'm getting a little bored with this silver blonde gray, and so I wanted to change it up for fall, and I wanted to do something I've never done before, which is like a red-orange fiery color. I looked up a few YouTube videos, and I'm a little afraid because most of the videos I seem to watch, they seem to regret the color after they do it, but I really want to try it, and I'm really excited to see what it comes out as. I hope I don't regret it, and I hope it looks decent with how I look and everything. So yeah, if you want to see me change my hair color, then keep on watching and pray that it goes well. I've settled on two colors because I didn't want it plain orange, or I didn't want it super red, obviously. I really want that orange-red fiery color, which I will show a few pictures on the screen to kind of tell what I really want. It's kind of hard to explain. I don't know an exact color to name it. But I got two brands that I haven't used before, and so we're gonna see how those work out for us too. The first brand is Arctic Fox. I've heard wonderful, amazing things about this brand. I've just never really tried it, but they recently have come into Sally's, so it's really easy to get instead of having to wait the 2-day shipping on Amazon if you have Prime. So a lot quicker to go get it to the store, and I got the color Sunset Orange for like a base tone and just to mix with a bit of red, so it makes it not super orange coppery color. The next product I got is called Beyond the Zone Rock On Rockin' Red. I've never heard of this brand. I've never seen it. Hi, baby. Thank you. When I went to Sally's. So I just got it because I thought it was with the little hair things that are under each color to show what they would turn out on your hair. When I looked at those, I figured that this was the closest color that I would want to mix with the Sunset Orange to try to get a good color tone that I preferred. So these are the two that I got. This is also a permanent hair color. That's what I wanted too. So I'm going to mix these two products to hopefully come out with a good, consistent hair color that I desire, and hopefully it turns out well. So let's get started. Okay, this is my hair color. I'm gonna wash it out. It looks a bit more red than I would like it, but that's okay. We shall work with it. Let's see how it goes. He almost ran into my tripod. So anyway, guys, this is how my hair color came out. I freaking love it. Although it was nothing that I wanted, obviously. If you guys saw the picture that I put up earlier, you will notice that it's more of like a copper orange with maybe a hint of red in it. I misjudged the red hair dye, and I put more in to my mixture because I thought it wasn't showing up, but definitely showed up. But like I said, I freaking love the color. I think it came out so cute. I think it is so vibrant and so pretty. I'm not disappointed at all. I'm actually really happy. And if you dye your hair at home a lot, you know better than to expect the best. Always hope for the best, but expect the worst. But but yeah, this is the color that came out. I adore it. If you guys are looking to get this color, try what I tried with a bit more of the red into the mixture, a bit more added into the mixture. If you want a more orange look, then obviously do the opposite and see how it comes out. But yeah, I love it. And you can even see in my mirror back there. It is just such a pretty color. I love it. I'm very happy and I'm not disappointed. So if you prayed for me, thank you. It came out well anyway, even though it wasn't what I wanted. I try to push out videos as much as I can, and I will always do hair transformations more than likely, because I've literally dyed my hair every color and just keep going back to whatever I'm feeling. So if you guys want to see how to do it, please subscribe to my channel, because over the years I've learned how to easily dye my hair any color that I want. So if you guys have any questions or maybe want to choose a color, I can always make a video. So just leave the comments down below. Let me know. Let me know what you think of my new color. And if you like it, is it appropriate for fall? I think so still. I still like it. So yeah, like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you like my hair transformations, or if you just like my content in general. Thank you very much. That helps a lot. Share this video with your friends, family, anyone. I don't care. Please and thank you. That'd be really nice. Regardless, please leave a comment down below. Tell me if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.